did it something else. He's like, let me get my shine on, bro.
Yeah, give me my little 10 minutes on my mama. A little 10 minutes of fame.
Give me my little 10 minutes.
Get that.
That's right in the middle, Nana.
Stop playing.
Okay.
I said one more shot.
Okay, I got all that.
You know how I do.
Yeah. Light work.
Warm up shot.
Light work. Light work. You doing good, son. Happy Father's Day.
Warm up shot.
That's right in the middle, Nana.
Stop playing.
Okay.
I said one more shot.
Okay, I got all that.
You know how I do. Hold on. Push hard. There we go.
Woo! Banana, baby!
Okay, Nana. Okay.
Not yet. Not yet. We gotta go.
Get your ball.
There we go. Oh, I like this little.
Happy Father's Day! It's Amazon.
I like that.
They ain't gonna catch me in no bad light, baby. I'm gonna put it on me.
That's decent.
And this where they got it from.
That's decent. Check that out.
They did it something else. He's like, let me get my shine on, bro.
Yeah, give me my little 10 minutes on my mama. A little 10 minutes of fame.
Give me my little 10 minutes.
Get that. Yeah.
And baby, it's food.
What I tell you?
Hungry, baby.
What I tell you?
You hungry? Get you one. I'm hungry for food. Get you one.
Get one, Lily. What do you want? French fries?
And there's some cheese right there.
That wasn't bad.
Whoop-de-doo. I'm not the first one, but I ain't the last. Whoop-de-doo.
Woo! Okay. All right, this is the game about halfway through. Hold on. Yeah, good money, you know what I mean? Now, if you would've got a strike or something right there, we would've, you know.
Well,
Now we're gonna see who actually bowling. Hey, bro, are you bowling for real or okay? Mom, you bowling for real?
yeah, put it on me. I'm bowling for real.
You bowling for
we
real?
doing it.
All right, so it's
We
basically
doing it.
it's basically us
We
three.
doing it.
Maybe
We
timing
doing
out
it.
already. Timing out already. Timing out already.
You
Let's see.
forgot to-
Lo, are you bowling for real? Bowling for real? Come on. Come on, do it right. All right, do the other one. Wait, Steve, come here. You gotta be behind the line. There we go. Okay, tell them this is just a warm-up game. So this is just a warm-up game.
This is just a warm-up game.
Don't count this one. Don't count this one. It's just a warm-up game.
Don't count this one.
What did I knock down? You knocked down 8.
I didn't get it. Don't stand in the camera. Sorry. You after Poppy. So after that, mommy, then me, then you. I missed mama first roll, but she only got 2 left. She got one. She got one at least. Alright,
It's
whatever.
over for you.
I'm mad I didn't get that first roll. I ain't gonna lie.
It's over for you.
A little salty. She is.
Wait, what bowl is for Lori?
Oh yeah, baby.
Okay.
Good job. Yeah, it's gonna be easy work.
You know what? Sounds good though. Oh, I didn't know that. Let's go, Nana, baby. Okay, you just hold it for her.
Oh, you got it, Lolo.
Woo!